What's going on, guys? This is my 300 horsepower Fiesta ST.
Really think I'm seeing things. Read the line in between. Yellow light, I gotta speed up.
Now I'm going to take you around the car and tell you what's been done to it. A couple of things to note about the car. It does have the Turbotechnics S280 Turbo. On top of that, I have all the supporting mods plus the Snow Performance Methanol injection kit running on 93 octane. Got the Whoosh Motorsports V2 intercooler in the front. The biggest upgrade is the Turbotechnics S280 Turbo, which you can't see because it's tucked behind the engine. Then we got the Injen cold air intake with Turbosmart blow-off valve. I have the Whoosh red powder coated charge pipe, which is also a Composer delete, and it has the bung welded in, so I can run my methanol injection right through there. You see the red line that goes through the firewall, under the carpet, all the way back here where I've got my Snow Performance reservoir here. Underneath the floor I have the pump mounted with a subwoofer. Obviously we've got the access port here. I'm running a Dizzy tune and I have absolutely no complaints. Car is a ton of fun. As far as suspension goes, it's on Bilstein coilovers. I used to have H&R sport springs, which was nice, but around here the roads are not that great, so the adjustability of the coilovers is nice. I have custom retrofits, which are getting some moisture in them, so this winter I plan to open them up, add some demonized to them, and that'll probably be in a video, so if you want to see that, definitely make sure to subscribe. Got the MBRP with a Catless downpipe, also from Whoosh Motorsport. And my Fiesta is a 2014, which means it did not come factory with a backup camera, but I was able to fit one and then reprogram the head unit with 4scan, so it's basically the same as it would come factory. Also, if you guys notice the shirt I'm wearing, Static Co, this is actually my merch. If you like it, you want to grab yourself some, I'll leave the link to my website in the description below. And right now we're running a 10% off deal, so if you use code BOOSTSEASON, you'll get 10% off your whole order, anything in the store. So check that out, link in the description below. Fun fact, if you bought a Boomba racing calendar or you ordered anything from them during the time they were doing their free calendar promotion, then you have a picture of my car, and it's actually my month. Also, another thing I wanted to note was, although it's never been on a real dyno, I have log dyno, which I'm sure a lot of you have heard about, and I'll put up the dyno sheet from that now if you guys are interested. Obviously it's not 100% accurate, but it's a pretty good idea.